Hey, my name's Lucy with Rossmönster Vans, and today I want to show you around our latest Sprinter 170 4x4. Before we step inside, I'll just talk about some of the exterior highlights of this vehicle. To start, we have a Sprinter 2500 4x4 rip kit on this vehicle. We also have upgraded wheels and tires, so we have a method wheel with an all-terrain tire. On this side of the vehicle, you can also see that we have FlareSpace with half-slide windows, and that's going to be on both sides. Additionally, in the front of the vehicle, we have a 52-inch 300-watt LED light bar. And then in the rear of the vehicle, we have two 4-inch LED lights up top so that you can illuminate the rear of the van at night. Welcome inside. Before we go into the specific components of this vehicle, I'll go over some of the design highlights as well as the general layout. Starting on the floor, we have a maple flooring. Moving up from there, we have cherry slab door cabinetry. We have Hymax countertops with a butcher block countertop extension. We have a golden Oasis stick-on tile backsplash. And then all of our wall panels and ceiling panels are going to be upholstered in Sesame Duramax. When it comes to layout in this vehicle, in the very front, we have a secondary riding unit with our bench seat. We can also swivel both captain's chairs around so that this turns into a dinette unit. Moving back from there, we have our bathroom on the driver's side. We have our galley predominantly down the passenger side of the vehicle, bleeding over a little bit into the driver's side. And then all the way in the rear, we have a fixed bed over a garage. So I'm going to start in the front and we'll work our way back. Starting in the front of the vehicle, we have our Freedman foldaway bus seat. So this has 3-point retractable seat belts for both riders and can be stowed away nicely when not in use. Working our way back, we have our indoor shower and bathroom. So in here we have a 24x30 shower. We also have our Dometic SaniPottie toilet. We have brushed aluminum walls with a stainless steel base. Moving over to the passenger side of the vehicle, we have our galley area. So here we have Hymax countertops with a 20-inch butcher block countertop extension so that you can extend the usable areas of this workstation. We have a 2-burner Pava induction cooktop. Beneath that, we have a Cruise 200 isotherm fridge and freezer. Beyond that, we have a Vathi 15x20 workstation sink. We have some uppers above our sink. As per usual, these are going to be on gas struts for assisted opening and have our V-latches to ensure that they stay nice and secure while in transit. A really nice feature of this galley is that we have a golden Oasis stick-on tile backsplash, so any splattering that we have in the kitchen is going to be nice and easy to clean up. And then underneath the sink, we just have some nice roomy drawer banks as well as some additional storage underneath our sink along with our 7-gallon gray water tank. Moving over to the driver's side of the vehicle, we have a few more drawers. We have some additional countertop space, a few more uppers, and then we also have a really nice bifold door here to add for some additional storage, whether it be trash cans, laundry, shelving unit, you name it. And then all the way in the rear of the van, we have our fixed bed. So as I mentioned, this bed has FlareSpace on both sides with custom bump outs. Those are going to be upholstered in that same Sesame Duramax that we're using for the ceiling and wall panels. Additionally, we have 2 reading lights at the head of the bed. And then we also have half slides in those flares. So that's going to bring some really nice cross breeze while they're sleeping. Above the bed, we have our Dometic Penguin II AC unit. So that'll keep this vehicle nice and cool in the summer. We also have an AquaHot hydronic heat and hot water system, so that's going to ensure that this vehicle is 4-season capable in the winter. And then lastly, we have 2 Sierra Lawrence T-vent windows as well as a Max Air fan in this entryway to the vehicle. Welcome to the rear of the vehicle. Back here we have our cabinet housing all of our water and our plumbing systems. On the passenger side we have our electrical cabinet. Both of these are going to be coated in black hex ply so that they're nice and rugged and durable. And we also have L-track running down both sides for some additional storage options. On the driver's side of the van, we have a 40-gallon freshwater tank, and this is also where we're going to store our AquaHot hydronic heat and hot water system. And on the passenger side of the vehicle, we have 800 amp hours of lithium-ion battery bank, we have a 3,000-watt inverter, and we have 400 watts of solar coming in through the top. That wraps up this van. Thanks so much for tuning in. Again, I'm Lucy with Rossmönster. Please be sure to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss a van tour, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.